Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is quick and stable. Plug the USB cable into the Ps4 and into the controller, then press the PS button to power it on. This forces a wired handshake. Make sure your controller has at least some charge. Low power can prevent pairing. While wired, navigate to Settings Devices Bluetooth devices so the console is ready to accept connections. Once done, leave the cable connected. This initial wired step simplifies the rest. Now you put the controller into Bluetooth pairing so the Ps4 can register it wirelessly. With the controller still connected, release and then hold both Share and PS simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. This indicates pairing mode. On the Ps4, the controller should appear under Bluetooth devices. Select it using your temporary wired controller or another input. Confirm any prompts and wait for the light to show a steady color, which means pairing succeeded. Finish by confirming the controller works wirelessly. Once the light bar is steady, unplug the USB and try navigating menus and launching a game to validate buttons and sticks. If the controller fails to connect, reset it using a paperclip in the rear reset hole for 5 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears stale pairings. Also try a different USB cable or another Ps4 USB port if pairing still fails. These steps resolve most common Bluetooth or firmware hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.